Makeup stained sheets and tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But if I get, will you take? Only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream, you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day you dream away. Who needs a heart that tears apart? Ruminating cycles me back at the start. Time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But if I get, will you take?
Okay, so let's talk about Miss BUTTA Lace Unit 12. So here's the stock card one more time. BUTTA Lace 12 or BUTTA Unit 12, and I have this in the color Money Piece Hazel, which is a color that I have never tried before, but I've always been extremely interested in purchasing a unit in this color. So here we are. So it's got 100% premium fibers. All right, heat safe up to 400 degrees. It's got wider parting and ear-to-ear lace, pre-plucked hairline, pre-plucked part, virtually undetectable HD lace, blends with most skin tones, pre-plucked with baby hair, and a natural density hairline. And it comes in a vast array of different colors. Let's talk about this unit. So the pros. I love the color. It did blend down really good. Now, here's a little backstory. I tend to do these videos a couple times before you all see the finished product. So as you saw, I did already cut the lace. I did already add some even lace tint spray, and it already had some powder in the part from one of my previous tries, and for whatever reason I could not lay down the baby hairs in the previous tries. Couldn't lay down the baby hairs, and I couldn't blend out the lace. So I'm not gonna put that on the unit. I'm gonna say that that's just user error. It just takes time sometimes, and this is what we got. So I think it blended down nicely once I took the time to make it look like scalp. Now, it's not consistent all the way across, and that's just laziness on my part. Again, not gonna put that on the unit, but as you can see here, you can still kind of see the lace a little bit there, and I think that's because I didn't pull it up forward enough so that it could blend in with my skin, so it just doesn't look like it flows into my natural hairline. But that's okay, because this part is covered up anyway for the most part. Ain't nobody gonna be looking that close. This side I thought looked a little bit better. Okay, it's not really much there, but that's fine because it's hidden anyway. The hairline at the very top right here, where it's going to be seen, I think that looks really good. The part I think looks really good. even me nitpicking about how I laid this down, honestly, this still isn't a bad put down. I don't think, considering, you know, this is the one that you all get to see versus the other 2 times I tried to record this video that you will not be seeing today. Don't ask me for it. There's no tangling, there's no shedding. The reason I only see me getting like a week or 2's wear out of this wig is because this side, the curl just fell, and I don't know why. Like, I took it out of the pack, and I told you I've tried to put it on a couple times, but even that shouldn't make the curl just drop so drastically. Like, this side is just dying. These curls, this curl is dying. It does not look like the other curls. This side is fine. I can finger comb it. I even brushed through it a few times, but when I brush through this side, it'll just be like, it'll completely flat. Matter of fact, I'll show you. I will show you. So, ew, why is it doing this? Explain. 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 And it's just the money piece part. Now, you can zhuzh it and play with it and get it to kind of go back to its original shape. So yeah, what you do to fix that is kind of just play with it, turn it, fold it backwards a little bit, make it get the idea that, okay, maybe I'm supposed to curl now, and it'll be good enough. Actually, no, it's not good enough. It's unacceptable. Not a fan of that. Not a fan at all. Right side, boom, 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 boom. Left side with the dead curl, and here's the back. I lied. There was shedding. There was a little bit of shedding when I first took it out of the pack. My fault. Should have mentioned that. And there were filler hairs right here. It was like standing up real tall, so you all didn't see, but I actually took my Andis hot comb and I had to comb that down to kind of calm it because it was excited for some reason, and it was just, I would say it's big head friendly. I have a wig grip on underneath, and it still doesn't feel too tight on my head, so it's not squeezing my temples. I don't think that I will get a headache if I wear this wig all day, and all that is good. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. I really do appreciate you all joining me again for another video. I appreciate every time you like, comment, share, subscribe. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I love y'all. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Deuces.
Ruminating cycles me back at the start, time and time again. I relapse, but your love is all